This video is sponsored by Tuya Smart, has pioneered an IoT cloud platform that delivers a full suite of offerings/solutions to developers. By Mar.31, 2021. Tuya has more than 324,000 hardware and software developers on its open IoT development platform. Tuya Cloud Platform has built a thriving ecosystem which has smart-enabled more than 310,000 product SKUs in over 1,100 categories, covering over 220 countries and regions. Tuya IoT cloud infrastructure is currently capable of processing over 122 million AI voice interactions and over 84 billion cloud requests daily. In terms of empowering more IoT developers, we have started Tuya Influencer Program. I invite you to visit the website, Tuya Smart, through the link, www.tuya.com, and you can get all the links below the video in the description box.
Alexa, switch on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch to on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch 4 on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch 3 on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch 2 off.
Okay.
Alexa, switch all off.
Okay.
Alexa, switch all on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch 3 off.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off.
Okay.
Alexa, switch all on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch 4 on.
Okay.
Alexa, switch 4 off.
Okay.
Alexa, switch all off.
Okay.
Tuya Smart is a leading global IoT cloud platform that connects the intelligent needs of brands, OEMs, developers, and retail chains. The platform provides developers with a one-stop IoT PaaS-level solution that contains hardware development tools, global cloud services, and smart business platform development, offering comprehensive ecosystem empowerment from technology to marketing channels to build the world's leading IoT cloud platform. The scope of Tuya's business covers the whole chain from smart manufacturing to the application of smart scenes. At the same time, encouraged by the online and offline channel resources of the service providers, integrators, and operators in Tuya's ecosystem, Tuya can help our brand customers to sell smart devices to the entire world. Tuya collaborates closely with Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Samsung. Our platform is one of the first that integrates Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings at the same time. We enable brands to solve product development problems such as high development costs, long development cycles, and technical challenges and roadblocks, so that even companies with zero experience can quickly enter into the IoT space and enhance their product competitiveness. Tuya Smart is a leading global IoT cloud platform based on the underlying IoT PaaS-level technical support. We have developed smart business solutions for various industries, including smart home builders, hotels, security, community, apartment, and commercial lighting. The infrastructure behind our platform includes Cloud Plus networking module plus app to enable the rapid development of smart products. We introduced the Power by Tuya labeled PBT to demonstrate the interconnection of products built on our platform. Products bearing the PBT label can be easily controlled by the same app, regardless of brand or category. The Powered by Tuya solution is elegantly simple for brands to interconnect. By the end of March 31, 2021, the Tuya IoT development platform has served over 324,000 developers around the world. With over 122 million daily AI voice interactions, the platform receives 84 billion cloud requests daily. Tuya has smart-enabled more than 310,000 device SKUs. And now the devices are available in more than 220 countries and regions, covering over 100,000 sales channels all over the world. Tuya Go, an all-encompassing platform providing intelligent products and business solutions, allows brands to select from PBT products and hosting business solutions for vertical industries, providing brands with access to global sales channels. Together, we'll enable a future where life is more comfortable and joyful. Work is more streamlined and efficient. Management is accurate and data-driven. Services are thoughtful and sincere. Security is tangible and reassuring. Cities are prosperous and full of possibilities. Every second the world changes before our eyes. Time flies by faster than we could have imagined. Every idea can open the door to a completely new era. For creation precedes prediction. The possibilities are endless, and we're walking into uncharted territory. We invite you to take this journey with us. Tuya Smart, the leading global IoT cloud platform.